Hey everybody, this is Brad with ShadowTrader.net, and for today's video I have another potential trade idea here in Albemarle. Alpha Lima Bravo is the symbol. They're a specialty chemical manufacturer, and the thing I like about this stock, hopefully you can see pretty clearly, is we have some nice longer term support here. The stock, of course, 52-week high was up here right around $280, and now the stock is 117 bucks. So you're definitely able to buy this thing on the cheap. But what I like most about it is the support. And down at these levels, I call it demand, right? Traders and investors either, sell something when they feel that price is too high, and they buy things when price they feel is cheap enough. So this is kind of a classic row trade, right or right out. And again, the good other thing I like about this stock is they just had earnings. And the fact that the stock was down pre-market, but then they bought it back up, tells me that most of the sellers, if not all the sellers, are done. I mean, when you think about, like I said, the stock was almost 290 bucks recently. A year ago, it was 245 back in July. Obviously of 2023, stock has come off quite a bit, and there does seem to be a nice little floor here. So Albemarle is what I'm going to be buying tomorrow, probably up over a first 5 or first 15-minute high, and then I'll add more once it breaks over like 124.5, 125. And by the way, this is similar to that Chewy trade that I talked about last time. Not really ripping, but we're still okay. And Chewy was another one that got sold off. I mean, if I hid the names, the chart patterns are almost identical, which is kind of funny. I mean, completely different businesses. One obviously is in the pet business, selling food and chew toys, and the other one is a global developer and manufacturer and marketer of specialty chemicals. But the chart patterns look very, very similar. So anyway, I did buy some Chewy at 17.30. I'll buy more once it clears about 18 bucks. And then again, Albemarle ALB, I'll be jumping in that one tomorrow as well, and then adding more over 124.5, 125. Stop should be pretty clear, both Chewy and ALB below the lows. Right? You got a low there, you got a low here, and you got a low here. So that's the game plan. Hope it helps, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Adonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.